Hello, I'm Jerry Greenfield. I'm the Wine Whisperer. I am your Get Set Up guide to the wonderful world of wine. One of the classes I'm really excited about that's gotten a lot of interest is a class on sparkling wines. I will help you understand and appreciate and enjoy and select the best kinds of sparkling wine for your special occasions and also for everyday enjoyment. We talk about champagne, we talk about cava, prosecco, and all different kinds of sparkling wines that are made around the world, and how to enjoy them, what kind of glass to use, and especially a little section on how to open the bottle, because it's not as easy as you might think. You don't want that cork to go flying all over the place. So I hope you will join us for sparkling wines here on Get Set Up. We offer the class several times, so please look for it, because we've had very good response to it, and it's a lot of fun to learn more about sparkling wines, champagnes, and all different other kinds of sparkling wines to enjoy, as I said before, on a regular basis or also for those special occasions. So join me, Jerry Greenfield, the Wine Whisperer, here on Get Set Up for Sparkling Wines.